Hi there. Today let's talk about another exciting opportunity for AI professionals. In this video, I'll help you understand how to crack the Generative AI Engineer role at Provana. We are proud that OdinSchool is working with Provana to help them hire skilled talent in cutting-edge AI domains like NLP, LLMs, and speech analytics. Let's know about the company. Provana is a rapidly growing company at the intersection of AI, automation, and enterprise operations. Headquartered in US with a strong presence in India, Provana serves clients across credit, collections, legal processing, and healthcare industries. Their strength lies in blending deep domain knowledge with AI-driven process optimization, helping businesses run smarter and scale faster. At their Noida office, Provana is expanding its AI team to develop intelligent, voice-first and language-first platforms that power better customer experiences. And coming to the role, they are looking to hire a generative AI engineer with 4 to 5 years of experience for a full-time role in Noida. Now let's look into eligibility criteria. This role requires professionals who have hands-on experience in Python, PyTorch, along with expertise in LLMs and NLP, and also cloud deployment skills along with excellent communication skills to translate AI work into business outcomes. Coming to role and responsibilities. As a generative AI engineer at Provana, you will build a fine-tuned LLMs for tasks like speech recognition, synthesis, and NLP. Design NLP pipelines and apply prompt engineering techniques. Deploy scalable AI solutions using cloud infrastructures. Work cross-functionally with product, engineering, and business teams. Use AI to enhance customer service, automate conversations, and generate actionable insights from unstructured data. This role offers you a high-paying priority with a CTC of up to 30 lakhs per annum. You also get opportunities to work on GenAI at production scale, a fast-paced hybrid work culture, room to grow into leadership roles in a high-impact space, continuous learning and innovation opportunities. Here are 4 tips to crack this role. Let's get to tip number 1. My tip number 1 would be get deep with LLMs. Go beyond books. Understand how large language models work under the hood. Explore architectures like GPT, BERT, and apply prompt engineering and fine-tuning for real-world use cases. Build NLP and speech projects is my second tip. Create a project that reflects Provana's focus, like call summarization, sentiment analysis, or speech-to-text engines using tools like Whisper, Hugging Face Transformers, and Spacey. And here's the third tip. Show cloud deployment skills. Train locally, deploy globally. Use AWS, GCP, or Azure to host your models and APIs. Showcase your ability to productionize Gen AI solutions end-to-end. And here comes the last tip. Practice clear communication. Your ability to explain technical concepts simply will set you apart. Gen AI roles demand frequent interaction with cross-functional teams. Clarity in communication is the key. That's a wrap on how to crack the generative AI role at Provana. If you're passionate about AI, voice tech, and solving real-world problems using language models, this is your moment. For more such hiring updates and career guides, like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.